the weighted alternating bird dog. So to get this, if you have a partner, you can have your partner put this weight on your back. I like to do it on my own, just like this. So sometimes you might have to just nudge it back with your head just a little bit, but this is what it looks like. So one of the mistakes that people make with this is they put their knees way too close together. Okay, you want to leave yourself with a little base of support, leaving your knees hips width apart. And so what this does is it really forces your core to engage when you weight shift. Very wonderful exercise. Then I just dump it off just like that. So there you go, the weighted bird dog.